Peace, good people. Mills the Barber here. And I remember before I went live about a couple days ago, or maybe a week ago, and I was telling you about how Kale can promote for healthy hair. It's packed with omega-3s, omega-6 fatty acids, nourishing the scalp by preparing the hair follicles to grow resilient hair. Beta-carotene, and that helps with the pigment and converts it to vitamin A, which is very helpful for the scalp. All right, so now what we're going to do is make, instead of a juice, got my daughter here painting. Say what's up, Coffee.
What's up?
All right, so look. So instead of a juice, we're going to make a smoothie. So we're going to start with some frozen bananas. I put these in the freezer. They are frozen, solid. About maybe 4 big chunks of ginger and about 2 handfuls of kale. And you can either use almond milk or coconut water. I love coconut water. So we'll be right back. Hold on 1 second. All right, so now you pour about maybe 2 cups, 2.5, or just enough to top the bananas. You know, don't have to get too technical with it. Right there is good. All right, and you add kale. Take it over there, stuff it in there. Don't be shy, just stuff it in there. All right, if you want to add more coconut milk, coconut water, you can. No, gotta get the blend game. Gotta blend it right, buddy. So I would say keep blending it until you don't hear any crunching anymore. You know, until you get it about as fine as you want. And let's see how it tastes. Yeah. Okay, KK. Garnish it with a little apple there, you know what I mean? So remember, just make sure you put it in the blender. You know, get the main base of this is the kale, which is very, very essential for healthy hair, internal growth and internal health, scalp health, everything like that. So, the bananas make it sweet. However, if you want it sweeter, you can always use my go-to agave syrup. All right? Mills the Barber, y'all. Make sure you subscribe. Love y'all. Peace. Blessings, good people. Good people deserve good energy. Later.